Copy and paste from the CopyBase command in AutoCAD. Select the object. Type in Ctrl, Shift and C to bring up the prompt. Type in 0, 0, 0 and press Enter. To paste, type in Ctrl V, 0, 0, 0 and press Enter. This can also be brought up by typing CO, bringing up the command selection menu and arrowing down to the CopyBase. Escape to exit the command and press spacebar if you want to repeat the command. If you find my videos helpful and would like to support me, you can by donating on Buy Me a Coffee, link in the description below. Follow me and subscribe. I appreciate your views and support. Thank you.